Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're just going to continue with this 7-day set, which I should have done last weekend, but due to one thing and another happening at the moment, other things take priority sometimes. Anyway, I'm back on track now, so better late than never. And as you can see, I've got a pretty tough beard at the moment. It's about 10 days, 9-10 days. So it'll be a good test for this lovely set. I've moisturised the leather, just to recap. It's got a nice sheen to it now. It was quite dry at the time. It opens up, showing the days of the week, for those who haven't seen this video before. So we've shave tested all these, and we're just going to finish off with Friday and Saturday's razor. So I'll just pop these away for now. I must say these this is quite a nice subtle razor kit. You know, it's very convenient, rolls up, slip it in your top pocket, and all the razors, every single one, is identical in weight and handling and performance. So this is Friday's blade. As you can see along here, you can see a little bit of patina where I couldn't quite, without grinding it on a angle grinder, which I don't like doing to these blades. They're quite delicate. These handles are made from ivory or bone of some description. But if you start taking angle grinders to these, you could actually ruin the edge of the blade. They're very fine. You can see the edge of the blade there, a really fine edge. I've gone through the history of this WJ guy from Piccadilly, a hairdresser to the crown. So this is Friday's. So I've got to do the neck area. They're all consistently smooth. This particular one just had a little indent on the toe, so I just had to polish that off. But this 9-day beard, 10-day beard is just coming off with 2 little strokes. I'm actually going with the grain, and the soap I'm using is Mitchell's Wool Fat. Really nice luxury shave soap. So there we have it. That's Friday's quick shave test. Nice smooth blade, they're all consistent. all perfectly matched. So we're now on to the final one, Saturdays. This set starts with a Sunday, not a Monday, for some reason. I'll just refresh this lather. This Mitchell's wool fat soap is quite rich. However, I've noticed with my skin anyway, it does, in the time it's taken me to shave my neck, it's dried, has to be refreshed. That could be just my skin, I don't know. And if any of you guys are familiar with Pro Raso white, there's green and red as well. This Mitchell's wool fat is comparable to the Pro Raso white. And there we have it, a nick-free shave. Perfect. Just like me. So there we have it, a nice, very nice vintage 7-day shave set. And a lightweight case, leather case. I think from memory the whole set weighs about 380 grams, so not a heavy kit. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll be listing this 7-day set in my Etsy shop tomorrow. Bye for now.